Greg here with CloudTruth, and I'm excited to tell you about our new ConfigOps command center. But before that, I want to share a new perspective on how config is the bottleneck to achieving 100% deploy automation. We can all agree apps run the world, and in order to run well, your inferent apps need to be configured and secured properly. There's a ton of pressure to get stuff out faster, be secure, and automate everything possible. So why is this a concern when config and secrets are simple with just a few variables in a flat file? Many teams mislead themselves by assuming this and never give their config and secret strategy a second thought, which is precisely the problem we want to highlight. Your config isn't as simple as you think it is. Quickly, the volume, variety, and velocity of changes are impossible to keep track of. The repo hierarchy of JSON and YAML files becomes a noticeable friction in release pipelines. Too many duplicate values to manage, no easy change tracking. An apt analogy is how logging and observability seem simple at the onset, but quickly become complicated storing and processing gigabytes of text looking for signal in the noise. At the end of the day, the config artifact is the lifeblood of your infrastructure and applications. This is why 100% automation is important. A common need is to share config data between components. Teams resort to writing complicated scripts to reformat data from, say, JSON to a config map structure. An example of this is bridging Terraform to Argo CD for hands-free Kubernetes bootstrapping. If you're committed to GitOps, you can't have any manual tasks in the deploy process. And this is a use case CloudTruth easily solves. Plainly said, your SDLC can't go faster than the slowest process, and it's probably your config strategy. Even if you've achieved 90% automation, and congrats on that, by the way, that 10% of manual tasks is going to be 100% the source of your release friction. What gets in the way of automation are these old patterns that need to change, because this is what kills good artifacts. Whether duplicate, linked, or clone values, if you scan your repos, you'll be surprised by the number of lurking config anti-patterns. And if you're measuring performance, Endora is one way to do this. All these critical metrics are directly impacted by your config and secret strategy. And even the experts in our field calling us out for the excessive scripts and tooling no one wants to talk about. You can solve this problem yourself. Many teams have out of necessity, but you'll be adding more complexity instead of removing it. Or you could use CloudTruth. CloudTruth makes complex config easy to use. The platform aggregates all config and secret variables, creates config artifacts for all your components, all while tracking changes, controlling access with RBAC, and robust auditing. Meet your GitOps expectations by adding config automation for consistently reliable deploys. It's easy to get started with automatic importers, SAML and SSO for easy integrations, and it's also available as SaaS or self-hosted solution.